Today I'm addressing the ABS light on my 2003 Ford Explorer. Now for upwards of a year, the ABS light has been triggering when I hit the gas from a red light, bring the RPMs up around 3,000, it'll turn on. Now the crazy thing is, when I turn the truck off and turn it back on again, the ABS light goes away until I do the same thing. But if I drive it softly, for some reason, the ABS light won't turn on. It's only like when I'm stopped and I hit the gas and I do a little bit of spirited driving, then it'll click. So I have my scan tool here that fortunately allows me to check ABS codes. So when I go to ABS, it reads it and it will pop up as a C1440 brake pressure sensor signal failure. Now, this sounds worse than it really is, but I will say I've also noticed my cruise control does not work. It used to, and one day it stopped. I don't really use it enough to justify fixing it right away. It didn't bother me that often, but it's nice to have. So the ABS light is on, we're having our code C1440, and my cruise control doesn't work. Today, for $15, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Just to demonstrate, you'll see I'll turn the truck off. We'll turn the truck back on. And the ABS light goes away. So the first thing we're gonna do is pop our hood. And located underneath the hood in the engine bay on the master cylinder is our brake pressure sensor. And it's very simple. You just unplug it like so. And here's our new little doodad. It does not require any sealant, any thread tape. It has a flared base. We're going to remove the old one and simply screw in the new one. Okay, now from my research, it's to my understanding that no fluid is really gonna come out when I take this out. But of course, I'm gonna move a little bit quickly. I have a paper towel under it to catch anything that does happen to dribble out. Got my adjustable wrench, crack it loose. And very quickly and efficiently, I'm gonna swap these out. And look at that, no fluid actually did come out. Very cool. And we're gonna snug this one up. Don't wanna snap it now. Cool. Nice. I'm gonna grab our sensor and plug it back in. Done. And last but not least, we're gonna take it for a drive and see if it fixed our issue. All right, now I'm gonna do a little bit of a spirited pull that would have otherwise triggered our ABS light. Nice. And the real moment of truth, let's see if this damn cruise control works. Awesome. All right, so now it's not gonna suck taking this thing 3 hours down the highway. Cruise control is fixed. ABS light is no longer on. And for $15, we just fixed both of those items on our Ford truck. All right, everybody, that's it for today's video. As always, I'll leave the links in the description below of the parts. You can get it on Amazon, but you can also get it a little bit cheaper on eBay. I'll leave both of those links, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.